berdiri di tenda BNPB.
Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnula Shefa in Indonesia News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is the fire Titi Kuning Medan claimed the life of couple. The Criminal Investigation Unit, the Daily Trios Police, has been able to determine the causes of the fire in Titi Kuning Village, Medan Johor District, Medan City, which killed the husband and wife, Atik and Ato. Head of the Criminal Investigation Unit of the Daily Trios Police, Adjutant Commissioner Police Yunanto explained that his party was still investigating the cause of the fire. He said his team, together with the North Sumatra Police Forensic Laboratory, has conducted a crane scan. Previously, a fire a house on the Brick Chain Road Zain Hamid, it is Kuningan, Medan Johor District, claimed to the life of the husband and wife Atik and Aho. Both of died arrested in their home room because they could not save themselves. According to the resident, with the Atik and Atok incident occurred, her husband was filling out the pretest which was to be sold in the used mineral water bottles. However, there is a strong suspicion that the furling husband, while smoking the trigger sparkling family grape bath and the burned their house. The next news is 3 Lampung residents died from the fried banana poisoning. No report have been entered to the police. 3 people in central Lampung died from the food poisoning with the fried banana. It is initial 3 was 4 of victims who were patients and receiving treatment of the Ahmad Yani Metro Regional General Hospital Lampung. The victim who died with the initial D 18 years old, T 18 years old, and 37 years old were burned in their respective regional TPS. The incident of food poisoning, which looked many lives, has not been reported to the police. Head of the public relations of the Metropolis Lampung Regional Police, Adjutant Commissioner Sulianti, explained. The report has been received regarding incident that killed 3 people. Is now the poisoning of the fried banana occurred on Thursday in the Tutu Katon Village, Pengguar District, Central Lampung. Head of the Police Relations Subdivision of Ahmad Yani Metro Hospital, Oktariana Handayani, she said that on Thursday afternoon in early, a couple arrived at hospital due to fried banana poisoning, but operators separately are critical condition. The elderly couple with initial T18 and T were declared dead on the day. And on the same day, at around 9 a.m., 5 people come to harm the passenger with the fried banana. The next news is 2 suspects in the demolition of the Kanjuruhan Stadium case ready for the trial. Next week, the trial of the demolition of the Kanjuruhan Stadium facility case will begin. The case for demolition of the Kanjuruhan Stadium will soon be heard on the Thursday at the Kanjuruhan District Court. The case of the stadium Demolition involving two suspects Fernando Hashim Ashari, 90 years old, and Yudi Santoso, 5 years old, was previously transferred to Malang District Authority Office from the Malang Police Criminal Investigation Team. Head of the Processing Sector of the General Crimes Count and the Malang Region Processor Office, Randit Aditya said, the case filed on the submit to the Kapjung District Court on the submit of trial schedule. Submission of 3 schedule after the case have been declared complete of the P1. We are of the second stage of the delegation to hand over suspect and advise. As the previously report, the police have named suspect in the Kanjuruhan Stadium Demolition case. They are desperate to the dismantle of the stadium because there are temporary to prove it from demolition. The suspect is also charged with the Article 406 of the Criminal Code (CO) Article 1959, Paragraph 1 to 1A of Criminal Code with a penalty of 2 years and 8 months. The next news is, a Santri who was burned by flood studying in Pasuruan died. In Avis, a student for the boarding school in the Pasuruan who was burned by his fellow student has died. The 14-year-old teenager breathing heavily after being treated in intensive care 90 days of the Sidoarjo Hospital due to the burns, and the Pasuruan Police Adjutant Commissioner Police Faruk Ashadi Haiti confirmed the news state the student burning victim. He admitted that the digital final condition the victim was is clear. The victim and condition dropped, however, and ensure of the case will continue as previously reported by the Prefecture Office the transmission the case file of the perpetrators of the violence against students to Bangli District Court. According to him, the final of the teenagers with imprisoned for the maximum of 5 years and a fine of the as previously reported, and the Pasuruan Police Criminal Investigation Unit finally named as a suspect in alleged abuse, followed started by the burning term. The next news is, enjoy a methamphetamine party in the corn plantation. 2 farmers arrested in the police in South Aceh. The Sultan Aceh Narcotic and Optional Team arrested 2 farmers in the Kuning village, Babul District, South Aceh. Frequency for the passenger is 5.2 grams of methamphetamine on the Thursday. The 2 farmers in South Aceh who were caught by the police were having a party smoking methamphetamine in the corn field, and the suspect of the methamphetamine case, Yibi, 44 years old, and former from Mutiara Damai village, Babul Rambua district, and DS, 29 years old, the former Lawa Kihing village, Babu Salam district, South Aceh Regency. South Aceh for the Adjutant Commissioner Police Raden Rohmi Surmando, accompanied by the head of narcotic, Adjutant Commissioner Sabrina Tabruan Wednesday said, Thursday in the Kuning Bimbel of the Priest in the Corn Garden. The member of the South Aceh Regional Police Narcotic Resident Unit received information from the public. At this location, the Corn Garden is often used as a place of the consummate methamphetamine type narcotics. Respond to the risk member of optional risk community to make observation and division around the location. This member of the optional saw the 3 men sitting under the coconut tree in the garden Kuningan. In one district, the member optional said risk found 3 people and 14 perpetrators consuming crystal methamphetamine using a crystal methamphetamine apparatus made for the mineral water bottles. The next news is attitude of the Chairperson Tarakan Regional People Representative Assembly respond for the rebuild legislation. The head of the Tarakan, Al-Zari, also responded and addressed the case of the immoral video screenshot that took credit the name of the member Tarakan Representative Council. The last update was announced as a Thursday and the markers at the report to the Tarakan police on suspicious extorting and defamation. The head of the Tarakan, Al-Razali, is basically waiting for the full result for the regrading the step taken after Marcus in the Maygis. Al-Ghazali received that could not comment much because the 3 months legal advice, even though it's no Marcus in the Marvin gave Daniel the new +1 screenshot on the immoral video. To relate the status of Marcus Minggu, what is the member of Tarakan Council representative? So in this maintaining the dignity of Tarakan city institution, he impressed he could summon person concerned. Al-Ghazali explained that 3 was respread made coverage that was carried out in the methamphetamine DGT present and Tarakan, but as individual as an institution, and returning question the video. He again expressed that no confirmation the truth of the bin circulation in the community. Marcus Minggu, a member of Tarakan City, appeared of visiting on the Tarakan police to make a report on the Thursday. And according, it is true that the list of the person concerned, the risk according and considering in question will be undergo a process to the honorary board to be held accountable for his action. The next news is fire in Tanjung Tim. 3 burned house in Mendahara in the fire suspected to have started from the empty house. The fire incident in Tanjung in Mendahara village, Mendahara district, causes the 3 houses to burn to the ground and the 3 other houses damaged. The fire is not started from the inside house, and Mendahara police chief Inspector 1 and husband Shabu explained. The chief chronology the incident was disaster occurred last Wednesday and reloaded the 3 houses unit, each belonging to the Saidra Judin, Masriha and Yati, burned down. He continued from the result of the witness statement of that the fire was suspected to have originated from Muswira house, which is his was been empty for the uncremated for a long time. The findings ignited the fire. Until now, identification unit for illness from the unit Tajud Police Criminal Investigation Unit is carrying out to the investigation. The estimated loss over from the fighting was around 30 million. Well, I think those all the news for today with me, Kusnul Ashefa. Don't forget to follow us at the Tribun Lampung News video, Tribun Lampung TikTok, Tribun Lampung Instagram, and Tribun Lampung Facebook for more information. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.